guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video I decided to do a quick glam on my cousin, and to begin this transformation I just took some rose petal witch hazel to prep her skin.
DRUMKEYZ on the beat.
Next up, I'm going to be using this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream to hydrate and moisturize the skin, which she will be applying on herself, but in a few moments you'll see that she forgot she had her eyebrows done and she applied it over her brows. So yeah, thanks for that. Taking this Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, I'm just going to buff it into her skin, and it may seem like I'm not applying anything, but I like to build my coverage rather than apply it all at once. To conceal her face, I'm taking that same Nars foundation, except this time it's going to be in a lighter shade just so I can build that coverage, and then later on you'll see I'm going to be taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to brighten her face. And with my Fenty powder, I'm just going to be setting her face. Using the foundation stick from Anastasia Beverly Hills, I'm just going to warm up her temples, her cheekbones, her nose and jawline to contour and bronze her face. If you don't already know this palette, it's the Shade and Light palette by Kat Von D, and I'm just using that to set her contour in place. First of all, guys, don't clock me on my brush. I know it doesn't have a handle because my handle broke off, but don't worry, I'm gonna glue that back soon, alright? Anyways, now I'm taking my blush from the E.L.F palette. I'm not sure which one specifically, but I'll have it all written down below. And I'm just I'm just applying blush to the apples of her cheeks and blending it out, and then now I'm just setting the face with some, you know, Fix Plus and bouncing that product in so I can melt her makeup. Oh my god, why am I so bad at this? Anyways, since the face is already wet, this is the perfect time to highlight. So I'm just taking my glow kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills and applying it to her cheeks and her nose and her chin and her forehead. Girl, taking your little selfies, thinking I'm not gonna add this in the video. I see you, I see you. For the eyes, I'm keeping it real simple, guys. I'm just taking the Morphe palette with Jaclyn Hill, and I'm honestly just gonna be using 3 shadows, and yeah, you'll see the process on here. Maybelline something mascara, whatever it's called, I'll link it down below. I'm just applying some mascara to her lashes before I add her falsies, but trust me guys, I absolutely hate this mascara. I know you guys are gonna clock me because I know some of you are like ride or die fans of this mascara, but I didn't have no other option, so I had to deal with it. Alright guys, so a quick story time for you guys. My cousin and I, that day we ordered some food on Skip the Dishes for my little cousin, and basically the app said that the order was delivered but it wasn't, so more times the driver kept the food. Anyways, I decided to add this clip in to show y'all how cheese my little cousin was. I don't know, I found it funny. You'll hear his yell in the back.
So he gave it to somebody else from. Or the Uber driver kept it for himself because he's an ass.
Taking the lip palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm taking that shade I first showed you guys to just outline her lips. Then I'm going to be taking another shade to apply to the center so I can kind of give the lips a little contour. And then finally I'm going to top off the lips with some Fenty gloss. Guys, so that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this glam makeup I did on my cousin. I'll link all her socials down below so you guys can give her a follow. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.